You can see I have just on $26.29 in 28. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn money just by watching videos. The website link is in the description below, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser. I recommend using Chrome for its speed and reliability. In the address bar, type $tub.com and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears. If you're new to the site, you'll need to register an account. Since I've already registered, I'll go ahead and log in. Check this out. I've earned $23.16 from watching 24 videos. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's scroll down. Here's how it works. You'll find YouTube videos that you need to watch for at least 35 seconds. Each view adds to your earnings. Just keep watching, and your balance will grow. For instance, I made $26.29 by watching just 28 videos. Now, let's talk about getting paid. Head over to the payment section. There are multiple options available: PayPal, Cash App, Paytm, and even direct bank transfers. Choose whichever suits you best. And don't forget about referrals. Share your unique code, and you can earn $5 for each successful click. It's an easy way to boost your earnings. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to follow for more tips on earning money online. See you next time.
Fucking around, I keep right on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with the view.